In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset VSeeBox remote. To begin, make sure you are standing close to your VSeeBox. Try to stay within just a few feet of the device. This is important because during the pairing process, the remote needs a strong and stable connection to the box. If you are too far away, the signal may not register properly, and the reset may appear to fail even when the steps are correct. Once you are close enough, take your remote and press and hold the OK button together with the volume down button. On some VSeeBox remote models, you may need to press the home button instead, depending on the version you have. Keep holding the correct button combination for about 5 to 10 seconds. Watch the remote carefully for an indicator light to begin flashing. You may also see a pairing message appear on your TV screen. Either of these is a good sign that the remote has entered pairing mode and is trying to reconnect. If nothing happens the first time, don't panic. Sometimes it takes a second attempt, especially if the remote had completely lost its connection. Just make sure you are holding the buttons firmly and long enough. If the remote still doesn't reset or pair, the next step is to power cycle the VSeeBox itself. Unplug the power cord from the box and leave it unplugged for 60 seconds. Giving it a full minute helps clear temporary connection issues and allows the system to fully refresh. After that, plug the power cord back in and wait for the VSeeBox to boot up completely. Be patient here because trying to pair the remote too early may not work. Once the box has fully restarted, stand near it again and repeat the same button combination on the remote. Hold OK and volume down, or the home button on supported models, for 5 to 10 seconds and watch for the flashing light or pairing message. In many cases, this second attempt after a power cycle solves the issue. If your remote responds again, then the reset and repairing process was successful. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.